In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline in Asana 5 minutes. The Timeline view helps you plan projects visually, understand how tasks relate to each other, and spot conflicts before they impact your schedule. Let's get started by signing in. Head to the Asana login page, enter your email address, click Continue, then type your password and log in. After you land on your Asana home, open the project or portfolio you want to visualize on a timeline. At the top, switch to the Timeline tab. This converts your task list into a horizontal schedule so you can see when work starts, when it should finish, and how everything lines up. You can add tasks directly here by selecting Add Task. If you already have tasks in your project, they'll show up on the timeline as long as they have dates. To appear on the timeline, each task needs both a start date and a due date. If a task is missing either one, it's considered unscheduled. You'll find those in the Unscheduled Tasks panel on the right. Drag them onto the timeline to set dates quickly, or open the task and add dates from the details. Dependencies are where Timeline really shines. When one task depends on another, you'll see a connector between them. Gray lines indicate everything is in sequence with no issues, while red lines flag potential date conflicts that could cause delays. You can add dependencies by dragging from the small connector handle on one task to another, or by opening a task and choosing Add Dependency. This makes it clear which tasks must finish before others can begin. Adjusting schedules is simple. Drag a taskbar left or right to update its dates, or pull the ends to change duration. As you make changes, the timeline updates in real time so you can instantly see the impact. Click any task to open its details pane to review or edit fields like assignee, dates, and attached context without leaving the timeline view. For teams using dependencies, check the timeline options to manage dependency date shifting. This setting controls whether dependent tasks automatically move when their predecessors change. It's a helpful safeguard to keep your plan realistic without manually updating every linked task. That's the core workflow. Log in, open your project or portfolio, switch to Timeline, add tasks with dates, manage unscheduled items, connect dependencies, adjust dates by dragging, and fine-tune behavior in Timeline options. With these steps, you'll keep work organized, anticipate conflicts, and guide your project to the finish line with confidence.